Hey everyone, are you ready to dive into a super cool secret? We're going to talk all about the amazing, invisible power that lights up our entire world, electricity.
You know that moment when you walk into a dark room and flip a switch, and just like that, bam, the lights are on? Have you ever stopped and wondered, how does that actually work? Is it some kind of magic?
Well, it's actually not magic. It's something way cooler. It's a special type of energy called electricity, and it's this amazing power that lights up our houses, makes our video games work, and pretty much makes the whole world go.
I mean, just think about it for a second. We use electricity all the time, every single day. That fan that keeps you cool on a hot day? Yep, that's electricity. The TV where you watch all your favorite shows? Electricity again. And yeah, it's what charges up the phones and tablets we love to play on.
Okay, so if it's in all those places, how does it get there? How does this power travel from, a plug in the wall all the way to our stuff? Well, let's become detectives and follow its secret path.
So, picture this. Electricity is made of these teeny tiny little power particles. They start their big adventure either in a battery or a huge power station. Then, they zoom through wires like they're on a super fast roller coaster. And when you flip a switch, you're basically giving them the green light to finish the race. And that's when, poof, the light bulb turns on.
Okay, so this special path, this roller coaster track that electricity travels on, it's really important. And it has a cool name too.
It's called a circuit. Now here's the thing about a circuit. For it to work, it has to be a complete circle, a total loop with no breaks. Kind of like a racetrack, right? The electricity needs a clear path to go all the way around and back to the start. So when that racetrack path is totally complete, we call that a closed circuit. The electricity can just zoom all the way around and light up the bulb, no problem. But if there's a break in the path anywhere, that's called an open circuit. The electricity gets to the break and it has to stop. It has nowhere else to go, so the light stays off.
So what's the thing that actually opens and closes this path? You probably use it a bunch of times every single day. It's the switch. You can think of a switch as being like the gatekeeper for the whole racetrack.
Check this out. When you flip a switch to the on position, it's just like you're lowering a drawbridge to complete the road. The path is now closed and the electricity can flow right across. But when you flip it off, whoosh, the bridge goes up. That breaks the path and stops the electricity right in its tracks. It really is that simple.
All right, we know electricity is an awesome helper, right? But because it's so powerful, we have to be really smart and careful around it. So let's talk about something that's super important, how to be safe.
Okay, these are the most important rules, so let's make sure we remember them. Number 1, never ever touch a wire if it looks broken or if you can see the metal part inside. Number 2, water and electricity do not mix. They are not friends, so always keep water far away from any plugs or switches. And that brings us to rule number 3, never ever touch a switch or a plug if your hands are wet. Got it?
And there you go. That's the secret of our amazing friend, electricity. It's this super powerful energy that zooms through circuits to light up our rooms, power our video games, and pretty much help us do cool stuff all day long.
I mean, just think of all the incredible things it helps us do. It helps us learn new things, play with our friends, and explore the whole world. So now that you know its secret, I've just got one last question for you. What amazing thing are you going to power today?